In this video, we are going to extract data from these 4 different tables using PyMuPDF. Despite all 4 tables having the same data, you will see that table headers are processed differently. First of all, let's make sure that PyMuPDF is installed. After importing PyMuPDF, the document is loaded using the method open. This is the function pageImage. It exports a page from the PDF document as an image and then displays it on the notebook. This is the first table. It has full grid lines. After using the method findTables and loading the first table object, we can see that the property header.external returns false. This means that PyMuPDF did not determine that this table has an external header. When using the method extract, the header is included in the list, just like the rest of the data. Let's move to Table 2, which does have grid lines, except for the header. This time, the property header.external returns true, which means that an external header has been detected. In this case, the property header.names must be used to return a list of column names, as the header is not included in the returned list when using the method extract. In Table 3, we only have one horizontal line below each row. The property header.external returns true. As the header is external, the property header.names is used to return a list of column names, and the method extract does not include the header in the returned list. Finally, Table 4 has no grid lines at all, but PyMuPDF is still able to process it. The method findTables returns a table object without requiring additional configuration. As you can see, the property header.external returns false, and that the headers are included in the returned list when using the method extract. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.